Hello, bachcho, let us look into the question. The question is, what was unique in Griffith's experiment? DNA was found to be genetic material. RNA was found to be genetic material. Something from dead organism could change the living beings, living cells. Viruses can live in bacteria. Let us look into it. So the key concept is Griffith's experiment. Griffith's experiment was about the model organism that is Streptococcus pneumoniae. दिस वॉज अ मॉडल ऑर्गेनिज्म जिसपे कि ये पूरी एक्सपेरिमेंट कैरी आउट की गई थी. बेसिकली स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस न्यूमोनी की दो स्ट्रेन देखने को मिली हमें इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में, दैट वाज एस स्ट्रेन एंड आर स्ट्रेन, and they were cultured separately. What we saw, that is S strained bacteria, it had a mucus polysaccharide, it had a smooth polysaccharide coat over its wall. Apart from that, red colony में हमने देखा कि they are rough surfaced, they have rough surfaced wall. So this was the main difference between S strain and R strain. उसके बाद इन एस स्ट्रेन की और आर स्ट्रेन की केस स्टडी की गई ग्रिफिथ द्वारा. तो उन्होंने डिफरेंट केस स्टडी किया, जिसमें कि पहली केस स्टडी थी जब एस स्ट्रेन was injected in mice and the mice died. It showed that there was some factor in S strain that was a killing factor, or that was a virulent factor that made the mice to die, right? फिर दूसरा केस स्टडी कैरी आउट किया गया आर स्ट्रेन के साथ, क्योंकि दो स्ट्रेन हम यहाँ पे ऑब्टेन हुए थे. सो द सेकेंड स्ट्रेन आर स्ट्रेन के साथ व्हेन इट वाज इंजेक्टेड इन द माइस, द साइंटिस्ट सॉ दैट द माइस सर्वाइव्ड. यानी कि आर स्ट्रेन में ऐसे कोई फैक्टर नहीं है जो कि एस स्ट्रेन में मौजूद था, इसी वजह से माइस सर्वाइव्ड एंड उसको निमोनिया नहीं हुआ, and due to that pneumonia the mice didn't die. All right. In the third case study, what he did, that he heated the S strain, and he injected this heated S strain into the mice, and what he saw, that the mice survived in this. चौथे केस स्टडी में what he carried out, that he added this heated S strain along with the R strain, and he injected this to the mice. What he saw was very surprising कि heated S strain और R strain को इंजेक्ट करने के बावजूद उन्हें रिजल्ट कुछ अपोजिट मिला, that the mice died. And through this experiment, he concluded that in the heat-killed S strain, there was some factor or transforming principle that secreted a smooth polysaccharide coat over the R strain and turned it into a virulent factor. The transformation of R strain into S strain has taken place. From S strain transformed the R strain into virulent. So this was the Griffith's experiment. और जो conclusion निकला इसके लिए, he said that there was something from dead organism, यानी कि heat killed S strain, डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म हीट किल्ड एस स्ट्रेन वाली बैक्टीरिया में ऐसा कोई तो फैक्टर था जो कि चेंज कर पाया आर स्ट्रेन के ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग प्रिंसिपल को, जिसकी वजह से दिस आर स्ट्रेन वाज ट्रांसफॉर्म टू अ विरुलेंट बैक्टीरिया. ऑलराइट, so we can say that option C is correct. Let us conclude it. Option C is the correct answer. Hope you all understood. All the best.